Hello everyone, I am back with another topic, that is PPC, production possibility curve. Okay, what is the general meaning of production possibility curve? We had already seen that it is graphically representation of all the possible combinations of any two specific goods which can be produced in an economy. Or additionally, it helps the producer to keep track of the rate of transformation of a specific product into another in situation wherein the economy shift from one position to another. The maximum manufacturing capacity of a particular commodity is arranged on the axis of y-axis and x-axis, and they were also obtained tends to represent the numbers of product, okay, that a manufacturer can create with the limit resources and technologies available at the hand. And it is also have been already discussed that resources are limited and the resources are having the constant, and the technology is also constant. When we studied in PPC curve, we assume that technology is constant. Here we can see the diagram of production possibility curve. This is the combination of between two goods A and B. That is, in the diagram you can see HCA and K on on x-axis and KCA on y-axis. That is, kidney cancer treatment possibility curve has been shown to you. So the cancer treatment will be available here with the care of services and in the economy, that the NHS can provide KC kidney care treatment and no other service, HC other service and no kidney treatment. Okay, these two combinations are given in the PPC curve. So we have already seen the many of the examples of PPC curve. We choose the best satisfaction when we get best satisfaction at the point we were choosing the PPC curve. On the line of PPC or the curve of PPC is showing the maximum utilization of resources, or we can say the sufficient utilization of resources. Under the PPC line curve, we can say that there is an insufficient utilization of resources are still available, but the human being cannot able to use that resources. And above the beyond the production possibility curve, we can say that we are not able to having the resources for making that combination of production. Here we can also see that the opportunity cost with the help combination of a production possibility curve, how we can compare with the production possibility curve with the opportunity cost. That the production possibility curve is the concept of sacrifice. The trades of and the choice and the shape of the curve will change based on whether the price cost are constant and whether the increasing or decreasing in the level. This slope of PP curve is also indicate the opportunity cost of producing a good in comparison to the another. The same can be used for comparing the opportunity cost of another producer for determining the comparative advantages. Here we can say that we have to, for gaining the another production, we are sacrificing the one production, and gaining the one production we are sacrificing the another production. For sacrificing we call the opportunity cost. Whatever we had sacrificing for the another production, the sacrificing cost is called the opportunity cost. It is the basic diagram of production possibility curve. On y-axis and x-axis, the curve is always showing the concave line or concave curve. For the PPC curve, under the concave there is the inefficient utilization of resources, and on the PPC curve this is the shows maximum utilization of resources, or we can fully utilization of resources, and beyond that line we cannot able to make a production itself. Here is the explanation of PPC curve. In this diagram, the production possibility curve goes on increasing or maximum capacity of a country to produce more of goods on y-axis and x-axis. The curve will shift from left to right side of the PPC curve on y-axis and x-axis. This situation is showing the increasing or improvement in the PPC curve or availability of the resources and production as well. Here there is a meaning of increasing in production potentials. It's showing the upward directions of PPC curve from left to right. This is the growth. Economic growth increases the productive potential of an economy. An economy can grow if it is increase the quantitative as well as qualitative of its factor and production. For example, a new technology development results in increase in productive potential, and the curve can move towards or outwards or upwards. This is the diagram of production possibility curve goes on decreasing, and here the production possibility curve is shifting from right to leftward. There the capacity of production goes on decreasing. For any behind this, any of the reason can we say that constant price will be prices of the product will be changed, technology can be changed, we cannot able to compete with that particular technology, so the production possibility curve goes on decreasing way. Here the curve is shifting from upward to downward. This is the diagram showing the production possibility curve with the three situations, and upward also and downward also. Here we can compare the opportunity cost also, that sacrificing A, B and C. We producing product A, we are producing less of B and very less of C. If we producing more C, then we were producing less B, then very less A production. Okay, if we are producing more any of the commodity, we have to sacrifice the another commodity. That sacrifice cost is called opportunity cost. Here is a diagram, you can understand very well. This is the line of red color is showing the production possibility curve. Under it there is a windmill and tractor, road. They all are the resources. That is, if they are under the line of PPC, it is showing that underutilization of resources, not fully utilized. And on the line you can see that fully utilization of resources, or the shape of downward sloping and concave. And at the point of black you can see that not attainable beyond the line of PPC curve. You can see that not attainable with the available resources and technologies. This is the full example or diagram of PPC curve. I hope the topic of PPC is much clear with you.